Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't like saying that. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to show you how to do the hooded eyeliner trick using both a brush and also that's kind of confusing. Using an angled brush to apply a gel slash what? One side I'm gonna use a brush with a gel liner, and then on the other side I'm gonna use a pen, which some of them have like little brush bristles, but I just want to show you it together. Great start. I was planning on filming my color blending video today, but my eyelids are peeling really bad, so we'll wait on that. All right, so the products that I'm going to be using today, Heyyyy Hero Line eyeliner, which is a pen. It's pretty precise, not super duper long, and it is little bristles that come to a nice point. Super black. And then for the gel side, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner, little pot. This is obviously in the shade, not obviously, this is in the shade Blackest Black. And then to apply that, I'm gonna be using this is a new brush, super tiny angled brush. This is the winged liner brush. This is from Samantha Robindahl's collection with Sigma, new collection with Sigma. So if you're not aware of the hooded eyeliner trick, basically the concept of it is rather than, creating a wing that's gonna go from here and swoop out. What is she playing with? Ziva, what are you playing with? Rather than drawing your typical wing that kind of starts at the end of your eye and swoops out, especially if it's like a thin wing. If you have hooded eyes, I'm not gonna claim that I have hooded eyes, okay? Plenty of people love to tell me that I don't have hooded eyes, but I do have slightly hooded lids. And the older that I get, this part of my eyelid just kind of falls more and more and more, So sometimes when I do a wing, it just ends up I don't know, you make faces like this, and this kind of folds over, and it just doesn't look as cute. So the concept of the hooded eyeliner, I think it's called a batwing or something like that, is basically rather than doing this thin wing that kind of goes like this, that can crinkle over when your eye squints or whatever, you kind of draw a line here and then connect it back so that you're, whatever, I'm just gonna show you. Why am I explaining it? I'm gonna start on this side where I'm gonna use the Heyyyy liner. So if you feel like there's way too much deposit of product, I always keep a paper towel next to me just in case, that I can kind of wipe stuff on. Do this for my brow pens too. So the best way to do this, to start, if you have absolutely no idea what I'm talking about, is to look straight into your mirror. That's the best thing. Typically when you see people do liquid liner, they're like this, they're looking down into a mirror so that they can flatten everything out. But if you do that and you have hooded eyes, then it's by the time you finish and you look straight, it's all jagged and messed up by the crease in your eye. So the best thing to do is to start by staring straight into your mirror and start at the bottom of your lash line and sketch up. And you can obviously make this as long as you want. Then keep looking straight. You want to bring this in to meet that part so that you know that when your eye is open, you are going to have this nice wing. Just want to make it a little bit longer. I kind of think that this looks a little bit more flattering when it's slightly more straight, but whatever you want to do. And then what you want to do is, and it depends on how thick you want it to be, you're kind of going to angle it down to your eye. Now, depending on how thick you want it to be, you can take this part and bring it straight to the center of your lid, which is kind of what I like because I think it looks best. But you can kind of just bring it down first, fill that in. And then from there, you can kind of decide all right, what do I need to do to make this look a little more wing-like? And I personally like to kind of make it a little bit straighter to the center of my eye. Like that. See, so we have kind of more of a straight line going from here. which the first time that I tried this, I was like, I didn't really think that I needed to do the hooded eyeliner trick. But when I did it, I was like, oh, this looks so sick. Like it's a lot thicker than like, you know, the nice thin one, but I think it looks so cool. And I really like it. It's like such a statement. It's like, makes me feel very Amy Winehouse. Anyway, so on the other side, I'm gonna show you how I do it with the gel. So Maybelline, whatever, Samantha eyeliner brush. I'm gonna dip in to the gel. You wanna make sure that you're like really loading it up. I'm just gonna use the cap to make sure that I don't have too much product. Make sure that the brush is nice and flat. So I'm doing the same thing, starting at the bottom, and try to make the angle the same. It's always the hardest part. And then once again, bringing it straight in to there. A little more product, and I'm gonna once again, just kind of angle it, bring it to my lash line, and start filling this in. And I like to fill it in first just so I can kind of see like, all right, what's the shape, you know? What do we got going here before I change anything? I'm gonna pick up a little bit more and I'm going to kind of even them out. Yeah, I think this one got a little taller. Fuck. You know what is such a good product that I told you guys about before? It's the Brow Food Chamomile Makeup Eraser Pen, which is so perfect for this kind of situation, cleaning up eyeliner or whatever. Now I'm gonna grab a little bit more and I'm gonna even that out with my eyelid. So the gel finish, just because it's like a little bit more solid, is gonna be a little more soft. Not quite as harsh. It's gonna be a little easier to apply or create like a little bit more of a smoky look. So you want to assess, like kind of stop in between and look and see like, what does it look like when my eyes are straight on? And what does it look like when they're open or down or looking like this? Like you kind of want to assess. So you might want to create like a step in your eyeliner. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you basically how to do that hooded eyeliner trick. Just keep in mind, like you want to make sure that you're looking straight into your mirror and you kind of have to like angle around to see like, is it gonna look okay in every angle? It can be difficult, especially depending on like if you have like a different, like I do, you know, I have like one line here for the most part and then I have two kind of like splitting here. So it makes things a little bit different, but you can do it with a brush. You can also do it with pens. I don't know what to call those. I hope this was helpful in some way. And as soon as my eyelids aren't peeling anymore, I'm gonna do my blending video with color. Whatever. Anyway, hope this was helpful. Let me know, and I'll see you soon.